Filter not showing on Instagram problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem if you don't get to see your filters. If your filters is not showing on your Instagram, this video is absolutely for you. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, what you need to do, first of all, you just need to go to Play Store, and then here you have to search for Instagram, or if you're using iOS, go to App Store and then search for Instagram, and then make sure to update it. You can see here your Instagram is asking for update, then make sure to update your Instagram. After updating, you just need to check it out whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, if it is not solved, then what you can do is that please check your net connection. Okay, please check your net connection. If your internet connection is not good, please connect to a good Wi-Fi connection and try it out. It might solve. So guys, again, if it is not working, then what you need to do is that you have to go to your phone settings on your phone, and then now you have to check whether your device is, your phone is asking for any kind of update or not. So here you can see this type of thing will be available. If it is available like this, if your system or software is asking for any kind of update, make sure to update your device. And after updating your device, what you need to do is that you have to delete your Instagram. After deleting your Instagram, you have to reinstall it, and then you have to wait for some time and connect to a good network connection, and then your problem will be absolutely solved. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.